Have you ever heard of someone denied release from bankruptcy? This situation might involve conditional discharge in bankruptcy. Curious about what that means? Let's explore it. A discharge signifies the end of one's bankrupt status. When this step is reached, the individual is no longer liable for debts. Upon receiving an absolute discharge, the individual can walk away free, with a few exceptions. But what if there's a conditional discharge? A conditional discharge imposes specific conditions the individual must meet before their discharge becomes absolute. This usually involves paying back creditors over a designated period. So, when does this conditional discharge happen? Although rare, it can occur if agencies like the Licensed Insolvency Trustee, LIT, or the Office of the Superintendent of Bankruptcy contest an individual's absolute discharge. Contestations may arise from failures such as missing creditor meetings, inaccurate reporting of income and expenses, not canceling credit cards, failing to disclose assets, not providing tax return details, missing financial counseling sessions, not updating residential address. Conditional discharge differs from absolute discharge mainly in timing. An absolute discharge is immediate. With a conditional discharge, the individual must meet outlined conditions first, which can delay their release for 9 to 12 months. Ultimately, both lead to the same outcome: release from bankruptcy. If someone fails to receive a discharge, that's concerning. Courts can refuse discharge entirely. If cancelled, the individual must still repay debts and cannot apply for debt over $1,000 without disclosing their status. To navigate not receiving discharge, individuals can connect with financial agencies like the LIT to understand the denial and requirements. They can also reapply for discharge when eligible or consider making a consumer proposal. In summary, facing a conditional discharge may feel discouraging. However, fulfilling the set conditions can ultimately lead to financial freedom. Take these conditions seriously, and you'll avoid being denied discharge in the future. If you're experiencing bankruptcy challenges, remember to stay proactive. Reach out to your financial agency for guidance and work towards securing your fresh start.